Welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So once again, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. Now take a look at your Swiss franc JPY. What is the trend? It is very clear that our Swiss franc JPY is in an uptrend move. Let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is our high on our daily time frame, this is also seen as the higher low and then an higher high. This is the higher low and then was an higher high that was made here, which took out this previous high, as you can clearly see. Then this is the higher low, and here comes the higher high. So markets eventually did an higher low right here. So with our movements now, we should be expecting Swiss franc JPY to give us another higher high, which is a bullish move that should eventually come to tap this resistance level, right? That is exactly what we should be anticipating for next on Swiss franc JPY. So if you take a look at this movement here, right, which is our current trend, market is ranging. It is currently ranging. As you can see, this is the current movement and market is ranging within this level. So if we see that market came to tap this resistance, then it dropped to tap the support level again, then we saw it push up to tap our resistance, and then it dropped to the support. Market was able to push up to tap our resistance and it eventually dropped to our support. So we should be anticipating for another bullish move for it to come to tap our resistance level. So with this movement, we should be expecting about 100 pips movement. Say it taps our resistance level. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any single update, click on the subscribe button now. Click on the bell notification and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So for the day, we will be anticipating for a bullish move on Swiss franc JPY.